कसा वाटला मूवी?
मूवी खूप छान होता आणि मला खूप आवडला. माझ्यासोबत माझ्या हस्बंडला किंवा मुलांना पण आवडलेला आणि खूप छान मेसेज मिळाला या मूवीमधनं आणि गाणी पण छान होती तिथली आणि एकंदरीत मूवी खूप आवडला आम्हाला.
थँक्यू.
खूप छान मूवी होता. पहिल्यांदाच असा मूवी घेतला जो आपल्या महापुरुषांची डॉक्टर आंबेडकर आणि शिवाजी महाराजांनी यांचे विचार समजावण्याचा प्रयत्न करतात आणि खूप छान अटेम्प्ट आणि ग्लॅड दॅट आय कुड पीपल हू अरेंज दिस मूवी इन हिअर. आय एम व्हेरी थँकफुल. आय कुड शो दॅट मूवी टू माय किड्स फैमिली. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
कैसे लगा आपको मूवी?
बहुत ही अच्छी मूवी लगी है. सबसे अच्छी बात इसमें क्या है कि मूवी में एक पॉजिटिव अप्रोच दिखाई है और एक सैंपल यह चेंज करने के लिए लाइक हाउ अ पर्सन कैन चेंज, राइट. एक मतलब कैसे डेवलप कर सकते हैं अपने आप को, राइट. बजाय कि हम हीट करना है, अपने आप को कैसे डेवलप करके हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. तो एक तो ये था जो मुझे अच्छा लगा. एक सेंटेंस बहुत अच्छा लगा जब उनकी मदर ने कहा लास्ट आई थिंक टुवर्ड द एंड ऑफ द मूवी कि हमें कि आप अकेले नहीं आना, बाबा साहब की बुक्स के साथ आना. दैट वाज अ वंडरफुल मैसेज. और हमें एक्चुअली हमारे परिवार के लिए हमें ऐसे ही होना चाहिए कि जो भी मतलब महिलाएं हमें उनका साथ होना चाहिए, वेदर इट्स स्पाउस और मदर्स और सिस्टर, ताकि वो साथ में हमारे मतलब इस जो मिशन है हमारा या जो भी डेवलपमेंट का जो हमारा वो है अप्रोच है उसमें सब शामिल होना चाहिए, सब एक साथ जुटाना चाहिए. सो इज अ वंडरफुल मूवी. आई थिंक आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट कि इसमें डबिंग होनी चाहिए हिंदी में और इंग्लिश में.
जी थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
खूपच छान पिक्चर होता आणि खूपच रिफ्रेशिंग पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह होता. कारण आजकालच्या मूवीज बघतो त्याच्यामध्ये रियालिटीचा टच सुटलेला असतो, पण ही मूवी छान वाटलं कारण की सगळे विचार त्यांनी इतक्या छान पद्धतीने समोर आणले की पाहून छान वाटतं. आणि नवीन जनरेशननी आणि जुन्या लोकांनी सगळ्यांनी बघण्यासारखा पिक्चर आहे. सो आय विल डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड.
What do you think about the movie?
Yeah, my name is Charudut Mazde, and I feel this movie is very inspiring for all the all generation. I feel the message given by the movie is perfectly all right for this moment, and every aspect of the movie is very very good. And the basic message about the leadership of our organization, we should follow our leader, that is perfectly given by the movie.
What do you think? Is like you would like to see more such movies in the future?
Yeah, definitely. I will love to watch such kind of movie because the Indian movie is missing this kind of stuff from so many years, and I feel now the gap is bridged by all the community, and this is really a nice move by the team Jayanti. I really wish best luck for their future.
What is one message you're gonna take home with you on the?
Yeah, read book basically, and once you read the book, there is a future that you can create for yourself, and that message is given by Jayanti. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jai Bhim.
Jai Bhim.
Actually, my name is Devin Mahale. I'm from New Jersey, USA. It's been a great pleasure to see this movie. खरंच खूप चांगला बनवलेला मूवी आहे. मी डायरेक्टर त्यांना कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करतो की त्यांनी एक चांगला धाडसी प्रयत्न केला आणि खूप चांगला प्रयत्न केला आहे. समाजाच्या प्रत्येक वर्गांना एकत्र करून आणि बाबासाहेब किंवा मोठ्या मोठ्या संतांचा जो मेसेज आहे वाचा, शिका, संघटित व्हा, चांगल्या दृष्टीने मांडण्यात आलेला आहे. आणि मी यंदा परत एकदा अभिनंदन करतो आणि आय विश दिस मूवी अ ग्रेट सक्सेस.
My name is Vikas Khere. I am from Pennsylvania. मूवी हा सगळ्याच लेवलवर चांगला आहे. स्क्रीन प्ले, डायलॉग्स आणि पुन्हा हे म्हणजे एकदम मी काय सांगणार सगळ्याच अँगलमध्ये हा तो नंबर 1 आहे. आणि हा जास्तीत जास्त लोकांनी हा मूवी ॲज अ अमेरिकन आय रिली लाईक द सिग्निफिकन्स ऑफ द माल्कम एक्स इज इन्क्लुडेड इन दॅट. सो आय विल कनेक्ट दिस मूवी in a progressive manner for all human beings, that the change is a vital. Thank you so much.
Honestly, but I really like the saying of the movie, like learn and you could do you can pursue your dreams and stuff like that. And I like the acting.
What do you like about the movie?
It was
was very inspiring. Not only like my generations, any generations can enjoy this movie, and particularly the message was given that read Baba Sahib, read all the revolutionary leaders. That is, we are lacking, like because of lack of knowledge, we don't know what we are following. And I think the reading and the balancing, it was very important. So that was like inspiration today by watching this movie. And I would say like everyone should watch this movie. And I'm going to inspire, or I'm going to tell all my family back in India, they should go and watch the movie. Thank you.
Thank you.
What do you think about the message of this movie?
I think even though the movie seems like giving a contemporary message to us, it is not. It is the same voice or same wisdom that we have been hearing from our parents or grandparents right from the beginning about Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, about Shivaji, and the whole community coming together. I think this movie is such a beautiful. It's rendered so nicely. I feel more brotherhood with all my neighbors with whom I was not interacting so much, and there is such a sense of community that brings in this movie, and I really appreciate the beauty of this movie.
Okay. Given this was a first time attempt, especially the actors were newcomers, what do you think about the technical finesse of the movie?
My God, I'm zapped by the sheer direction of the movie. At the same time, the simplicity and bringing out the very earthiness of the Indian culture out there. You know, every I can smell it. You know, I can feel it. It's like going back there. It's amazing.
Why this movie has taken so many years to come with a movie like this message, or movie with the slogan Jai Bhim?
Well, I think it's the accumulation of all the forces coming together at this stage, and acceptability of our diversity all over the India. And I think this is just the beginning of the revolution that's going to make our country such a great country soon. That's what I'm thinking is going to happen in this movie. This is just the beginning of the great thing that's going to happen. And all good things take some time, but we are getting there, and we are there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jai Bhim.
Yeah, I think the movie was good. I like especially the second half. I think they have like managed to give it's a delicate balance, because they were talking about like the leaders, and they managed to talk it very very perfectly. And the message of the movie is pretty clear that like all the communities can come together and they can strive success. And yeah, so I think that's the message of the movie, and the movie manages to give that message perfectly well. And the movie also has used the local language of Nagpur, and that's a very good thought, because the Marathi which is popularized is actually a Puneri version of Marathi, but like the Maharashtra has like 50 plus local dialect, and this is a very good attempt from the movie to introduce a Nagpuri dialect. And they have shown that even though you can use the Nagpuri dialect, and still you can make a successful movie, and that's what I liked about it. Even though I don't speak that dialect, but I could understand the movie and I could enjoy the movie. Yeah, so I like the movie.
Thank you.
The movie came out the good. They had the really new star cast. My personal opinion, they did phenomenal job. The actor, the actress, they do have the veteran staff, veteran actors in the movie, and they contributed really well. I could see the Kishore Kadam, I could see Milind Kamble, and they have been in the industry for a while, and their contribution is great. And seeing them in the movie was phenomenal. The movie overall was good. I like the direction. The director actually tried to touch very delicate subject, and it is pretty remarkable the way he handled. The quality of the overall picturization was good. So hats off to the film editors, and hats off to the movie direction and cinematographers. So the overall my opinion is the movie was really good. It's a must watch.
So another question I want to ask is, why movie like this takes so many years? Jai Bhim is a good example again of this slogan being used on the silver screen for the first time in like 110 years in the filmmaking.
I think that's a very interesting question, and I remember sometime back, I was attended one of the events with Nagraj Manjule, and the question came actually when we talk about the delicate subjects, especially in relation with the caste. They are always off the screen, and why they cannot be commercialized. I think our society, when it comes to our society, is a bit regressive. We like to talk about the progress, but the progress is made in terms of the money, not in terms of the social justice and how the social improvements are happening. It's remarkable what started with Nagraj Manjule. He did Sairaj. That subject touched the caste aspect very subtly, but now we see the society is opening, and this sensitization has happened. The people are aware of the issues, and you see the movie like Jai Bhim came, which went into the heart of the this issue, and now we have the movie Jayanti, which touches the harmony between the Jai Shivraj, Jai Bhim thoughts, and that's pretty remarkable. The way it is handled.
What do you think? This movie is a step towards establishing social harmony when you think about those two slogans?
I think definitely do. I think this movie is a well balance between commercially handling the very delicate topics of our society. I didn't find the movie you cannot make the movie provocative. That can that can be a money maker. This movie basically achieves the balance that's needed. You can talk about the social justice needed in the society, but at the same time it's a very commercialized movie, and movie do impact. It's my personal belief the movie do impact. It has a wide reach, millions of people watch it. So I do believe movies like this, when they send the message, it goes across across the board, and it could achieve the I wouldn't say it will achieve the harmony, but it will definitely it definitely facilitates or starts making the people's mind that this harmony can be achieved at some point in the society. Thank you.
They totally do justice to the movie, and the way they presented themselves. They were very confident, and they deliver it the way it should be, because especially they use Nagpur dialect, Marathi, and they did justice to it.
Given this is their first attempt, what could have been better? What could be improved on?
You mean acting-wise, or
any aspects of the movie you think like if there are more movies to come, what would you like to see more?
I want director or writer or all these guys to touch base more on social justice thing, especially Jai Bhim or Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Whenever they try to make a movie, they show him as a Dalit leader, but then if I look at him, I see him as I see him as an Indian hero, right? Who wrote a labor law, who worked on a caste-based system, then be the Hindu code bill, all those things he touched, and it is for all Indian citizens, not for a separate part or a special community or just for a Dalit community. It's for all Indians. So people should come up with this thought and make movies on this aspect rather than just showing him a Dalit leader.
What is one thing you're going to take home with this movie?
That's a very good thing. See, I'm going to take home. First thing is education. Get educated and implement that thing in your life. That is a very important aspect of this movie, because this guy has started reading it, and see, everybody around they were literate, but they were not implementing those things in his life. So reading it and implementation is very important. That's a takeaway from this movie, and I'm going to take that. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I know you are well read, but what did you learn new about the lives of Shivaji Maharaj and Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar?
One thing I learned about the lives of Shivaji Maharaj and Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is that you can never completely grasp their life. Every new exposure, every new mention always brings in new realizations. In today's movie, for example, Babasaheb is shown not as a messiah or a constitution writer as is usually known. The aspect of his being a labor minister, of his being what he has done for the women, of him doing the favor, not the favor exactly, but for him to have looked at the welfare of the OBC, for the SCs. All these things, when they come to you over and over, they reinforce the idea that these people are beyond any particular caste or class, and they are for the entire humanity.
inspiration, particularly for the Indian context. And that's what keeps getting reinforced. So I think that's a big takeaway for everyone in today's.
Another question I want to ask is, there is a message about entrepreneurship, especially in Dalit community. We haven't seen that many heroes on that front, business front. So do you think this movie is going to play a role to inspire youth to take on such roles?
That's a very good question. Dalits are inspired by what Baba Sahib said, Shika Sangatitva Sangarsha Kara. Educate, agitate and organize. Somewhere in this message there is no reference to entrepreneurship, to business. The focus is on education. But the fact of the matter is that Baba Sahib was an economist. When he came back from London to India, the first time before he did not get his PhD and did not get his masters in London School of Economics, he went there the second time. But when he came first time, he was a stockbroker. He was a businessman. So entrepreneurship is very, very important, and at that time our society didn't have the capital or the fundamentals to do it. But I think the message in this movie that entrepreneurship is not just an alternative but a necessity of the time, and education should not education of availability of education or unavailability of education should not be a blocker to it, is a big message in the movie. And I think that should inspire our community to take the route for entrepreneurship, because financial empowerment is also a very important angle, a very important path to emancipation of not just the Dalits, any underprivileged community.
In terms of taking away the message from this, like, do you have an optimistic view of the? Because the movie ends on a very optimistic note. Do you take that message home as well?
Absolutely. I mean, I think the biggest takeaway is that it's not a hopeless situation. As a matter of fact, the situation is filled with hope. Dr. Ambedkar, who faced the worst situation in his life,
for youth to take on such roles.
That's a very good question. Dalits are inspired by what Baba Sahib said, Shika Sangatitva Sangarsha Kara. Educate, agitate and organize. Somewhere in this message there is no reference to entrepreneurship, to business. The focus is on education. But the fact of the matter is that Baba Sahib was an economist. When he came back from London to India, the first time before he did not get his PhD and did not get his masters in London School of Economics, he went there the second time. But when he came first time, he was a stockbroker. He was a businessman. So entrepreneurship is very, very important, and at that time our society didn't have the capital or the fundamentals to do it. But I think the message in this movie that entrepreneurship is not just an alternative but a necessity of the time, and education should not education of availability of education or unavailability of education should not be a blocker to it, is a big message in the movie. And I think that should inspire our community to take the route for entrepreneurship, because financial empowerment is also a very important angle, a very important path to emancipation of not just the Dalits but any underprivileged community.
In terms of taking away the message from this, like, do you have an optimistic view of the? Because the movie ends on a very optimistic note. Do you take that message home as well?
Absolutely. I mean, I think the biggest takeaway is that it's not a hopeless situation. As a matter of fact, the situation is filled with hope. Dr. Ambedkar, who faced the worst situation in his life.
What do you think about the movie?
Movie is a must watch for our young generation back in India, here as well. And it's not just young generation, but it gave a lot of motivation. It just tells us not to stop, just keep learning, keep improving and keep progressing.
What do you think about the technical aspects of the movie, like music, background music, or like acting, direction?
Yeah, actually, the level of technicality was very much high. It was something looking out of. We have seen so many movies recently, but every scene was like the way the music score was there in the background and all that. Everything is super awesome, and the level of all technical departments, not only editing or even the every scene, how it was going up and how we felt as part of the scene. That was something important. I liked it.
You think this movie is a step for establishing social harmony, as it was said, like where the leaders from two different communities kind of coming together?
Yes, obviously that was something. The high point of the movie, how it has to end, how it was ended with Jai Shivra and Jai Bhim. I think that says everything for the movie, and how it is impacted is. I am not a good reader, but I think first thing that I am going to do is go there and buy some books and read them. Not buy the books. I have the books. I need to open them. That's all. So I need to do some more reading. That's all my inspiration is from this movie. Thank you.
Can we get some kids?
Kids?
Yeah, can we get some kids?
Yes, Sanu.
What did you like about the movie? What was the message that you liked from the movie?
I like the message that like never give up.
Never give up.
Yeah, never give up.
And I forgot the saying.
Educate.
Something about law. There was one tagline, right? Regarding crime.
Yeah.
That is trying to
Anyways, you wanted one more thing, right? Educate, organize, and educate, right? That's what it is.
So did it motivate you to read?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to do a lot of reading, right? You will read more Dr. Ambedkar books. Yeah, we are going to do that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you and Jai Bhim.
Thank you and Jai Bhim.
Okay, next time. No. We need to get one. So, what do you think about the movie? Like, what do you like? What was your feelings after watching this movie?
I think this is a very great movie. This is one of a kind movie what our Indian cinema really needs. Rather than all the love triangles, Hindi movies, out of the box movie kind of a thing, and the message that is given at the end of the movie is very positive. This is going to help us in a long run to build a nation as such. So nation building kind of a message, we should really promote these kind of a movies in a big cinema. And if you see, from that point of view, getting to know about our own Mahapurush or great personalities in India, Baba Saheb Ambedkar, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Shahuji Maharaj, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, and most important is the reading habit, and how the reading habit changes the life of a particular person from what he was earlier to where he can transform himself. That is a positive message that this movie is trying to give. And in my opinion, I think India really needs this kind of a movie. Basically, I like the songs. Songs are amazing. The picturization is very nice. So overall, wonderful movie, and all the way to the theater. Having this movie in a city like New Jersey was an amazing thing. So really thanks to all the organizers and producers. So thank you very much. Awesome.
Thank you.
Yes.
The good approach by education, by knowledge. He took an approach with the pen, not by the sword. So that's what I loved about this movie. And it's 3 hours long, but I didn't get bored. It was not a drag. It was super entertaining and super engaging. Thank you.